لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة.
Performing Hajj involves a sequence of acts or rites that are done in a specific order. Actually, there are only 3 things that are absolutely required for Hajj to be considered: entering the state of Ihram before or at Miqat or designated place outside the city of Mecca, and having intention to perform Hajj; being at the plains of Arafah on the 9th day of Dhul Hijjah, even for a moment during the daylight hours; and making Tawaf al-Ifada after visiting Arafah. If you miss one of these 3 requirements or do not perform them in order, your Hajj is technically inaccurate and you'll have to repeat it.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد.
It is a mercy from Allah that the rites of Hajj are as simple as 3 fundamental pillars. Often you are unable to control your circumstances during Hajj, and there may be times that you will be unable to fulfill some of the lesser obligations. Exercise patience and remember, your Hajj travel guide is there to assist you at these times.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك